In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. When I first tried changing the font size on my iPhone, I noticed how it improved overall comfort for my eyes. That's why I recommend adjusting yours ASAP. To do that on this iPhone, you need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll to click on Display and Brightness, available here. Then select Text Size and use this slider at the bottom to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Quick tip: if the biggest available font size is still too small for you, which is this one, I can show you how to make it bigger, but only in your apps. It will stay the same on your home screen and in Tab menu. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down, but this time hit Accessibility section instead of Display and Brightness one. Now hit Display and Text Size. Hit larger text here and use gray switcher next to larger accessibility sizes to activate this option. After tapping on the switcher, it should turn green and this slider should extend. Now you can use it to adjust font size in your apps. When you're ready, just go back. If you want to disable a larger text, go back to the same settings and click on the now green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!